Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi, I'm Chef Anna, and today I'll be showing you how to make a delicious tagliatelle with spinach. It's a dish that always reminds me of summers in Tuscany. You'll need tagliatelle pasta, fresh spinach, garlic, some olive oil, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and finally pepper. First, cook the tagliatelle in a pot of boiling salted water until al dente. This dish is best with fresh pasta, which I learned to make from my Italian grandmother. In a pan, heat some olive oil and add the fresh spinach. Cook until wilted, and then season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Next, add minced garlic to the spinach. My secret ingredient is roasted garlic. It adds a sweet, mellow flavour that makes this dish irresistible. Drain the tagliatelle, but reserve some pasta water. This starchy water will help create a silky sauce. Now add the tagliatelle to the spinach and garlic. Toss to combine, allowing the flavours to meld. Stir in a knob of butter and a generous handful of grated Parmesan. The butter adds richness, while the cheese brings a delightful flavour. If the pasta seems a bit dry, add some reserved pasta water to achieve the perfect consistency. My grandmother always said that the sauce should cling to the pasta, not pool at the bottom of the plate. Plate your tagliatelle with spinach, twirling the pasta to create an inviting presentation. Finally, top the dish with some extra Parmesan and a drizzle of olive oil. I love using a high-quality olive oil from Tuscany to really elevate this dish. And there you have it, a delicious, simple tagliatelle with spinach. Enjoy it with friends and family and let the taste transport you to Italy. Buon appetito!
Drop a like if you enjoyed. Also subscribe my channel.